What's up, guys? Today we're back with another video. Today we're going to be playing, well, not playing, I'm going to be showing you how to be a YouTuber. Yes, this is for computer, but it's the same way on tablet, just a little different. Only the screen is a little different. So, to be a YouTuber, first go on your YouTube page, and you'll see some of these. On tablet, I think you will see only your profile picture, if you have a profile, and that YouTube. So first thing you want to do is search up a good YouTuber and that you like and see if you can subscribe. I'm going to search up my favorite and I'm going to give him a shout out. Dennis Daily. So shout out to Dennis Daily. Okay. No ads. So let's just go all the way down. Oh, whoa. Okay, there. Subscribe 7 million. Unsubscribe. Okay, so I'm going to tap this button and see if it works. If it works, it will show that. And maybe that. If you're on a computer. But if it doesn't work, I'll show you a detail box. Let me do this real quick. Oh, but as I was saying, if it doesn't work, it will show a detail box. So just fill in the details, and then you will have your own YouTube account, and you can choose your profile picture and name. So then you click on that, you can see all your information. No, you can't see my information. So, and then you go back home. And if you're on tablet, sadly you can't play. I don't know a way to record a game while on tablet. All I know is how to, on tablet or iPad, all I know is how to tour view, I guess. So, if you want to upload, you tap that upload video. Well, on tablet it will just show upload. And then you select files to upload or just your thing, and then when you select your file to upload, it will show all your files. You can choose any one of these. So when you do that, your video will be uploaded on YouTube, and over here, your name, like mine is over here, I just chose my name, RohelTubeHD, which may be your username. You search that up. You just search that up right there, and then it will pop up. So I have 26 subscribers, and I have some videos, and you can customize your channel and stuff, all these other stuff. And then you will have a YouTube channel, and you start as not less subscribers, but tell your friends and everyone, and then soon you will have a lot of subscribers, or maybe like me, 26. So, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like, subscribe, and share my videos, and also ring that notification bell. So, and I will also read these comments right now. It says, Lloyd, it's me, Kai. That's my tip I could think of, and I'm not sure what game you should play. Sorry, man. You should not do glitch. That's VedDev's thing. Also, my name Roblox is Killer Kai 7_0. I'm his brother, and I think you should wait. Okay, so now it's his brother, and it says I think you should play Faction Defense, and a code is RIPZIT. So I do have a friend on Roblox whose name is Killer Kai. I'll just give him a shout out and show him real quick. And add him as a friend, and the other person that's his brother, that's also my friend. He was his brother was my friend first, and then he told me to add his two brothers. I have like 3 Killer Kai friends right there. That's also one of the brothers, and this person is the one I met first. So, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!